Welcome to Sriram TV. Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal, which has established in 1980, is inviting applications for various faculty positions. It is an autonomous institution under Kakatiya University, Warangal. The institution has also accredited with NAC A grade and securing NIRF ranking every time. The faculty positions in the departments of CSE, CSE Networks, CSE AI and ML, CSE IoT, CSE Data Science and IT. The faculty positions are including assistant professor, associate professor and professor levels. And the payment will be as per the UGC 7th Pay Commission and also as per the AICTE norms. For more details about the applications and other details, visit their website www.kitswkidsw.ac.in. The last date of sending applications is 29 February 2024. You can visit their website. There also you can go to the faculty recruitment tab and apply accordingly. Those who have applied for their earlier recruitment, they can also send their updated CV. Thank you for watching.